years we're having, we already have 2 years of the computerized MC8 test, which is very hard to make higher grade. Okay, so I wish everybody luck. Good luck. Okay. Okay, so first of all, we're going to calculate the calculation test, right? Everybody, the same thing every week. Okay, did you get your paper and pencil ready? Yeah? Daniel 弄好了吗？我现在有点怀疑你没拿，我拿了。Okay. Okay. Harvey, get your paper and ready. Okay, 5 minutes. 1, 2, go.
I started late.
Four minutes left. Two minutes and 30 seconds left.
I'm done.
Finished?
Yeah.
Okay,
Can I
good.
use the washroom?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I finished.
Good job.
Can I also use the washroom?
Of course. 去吧。
Alright.
Okay, everybody, please put down your pencil and pen, and we're finished. Okay. So for whom didn't finish yet, don't worry about it. Just to calculate how many questions you did. And send it to me. Daniel, 你做完了没有啊？做完啦？
老师刚刚的说话就是我。
哦，好。OK，别的小朋友没有做完的，数一数自己一共做了几题。OK，so count how many questions you did.
Why does it seem like there was slightly less questions?
No, it's 50 questions because you get better, Samuel. That's why you feel it's easy.
Because like,
Okay, so
oh, 'cause,
everybody,
like, sorry.
so every day we been practice those 50 questions. So it's just to help you to understand the algebra a little bit better. Okay, good job, Elaine. Good job, Victoria. Everybody's getting bigger. Sorry, getting better, not getting bigger. But of course, we're getting bigger. Okay, we're not getting younger anytime. Okay, so we're going to learn the thing today. Okay, so first of all, everything is going to be a little bit easy, but we get harder. So first question, okay, everybody, I want you to turn on the mic because we're not going to just explain everything. We're going to do very quick, like 车轮战, okay? So what is a reciprocal of -1? Chapter, do you still remember what is reciprocal mean? 忘了，来，屁股拿出来。So reciprocal is what? 1 over that number is called reciprocal, right? So that means it's 1 over -1. So everybody, it's still -1. Get it? And a number and its own reciprocal times together always equals what?
1.
Very good. But there's a one number that there is no reciprocal of this number. What is that number?
0.
Very good. Thank you very much. Understand? So this is what I want to hear from you, okay? 21,845 head a person. So the thing is, I don't care how many head are there, okay? It's okay you have a lot of head, but make sure every head has brain inside, okay? 不要做 no brain person, okay? So Elaine 这样就非常好. So we quick and answer, okay? Elaine, another Elaine. So what is the number is not the reciprocal of any number? 0, right? So we have this one. So what is the product of any non-zero number and twice its reciprocal? Everybody, let's take a look at this one. So this is not a math question. It almost sounds like a English question, okay? What is the product? Okay, so we're calculating something times something, correct? Of any non-zero number, so we can say it's A, right? And twice its reciprocal. So its reciprocal will be 1 over A, and twice of this reciprocal will be 2 over A. So A times 2 over A equals what? Equals 2. Okay, so multiply the negation of a positive number by the reciprocal of that same positive number. What is the product? Okay.
What's
Okay.
the negation?
就是负的. So for A, so the negation is -A. Okay. But the thing is, we know, first of all, A is bigger than 0, right? So -A is smaller than 0, correct? Because it's a positive number. By the reciprocal of that same positive number. So it's -A times 1 over A, correct? What is the product?
-1.
Get it? OK，好，我们为什么要做这个事情啊，小朋友们？Actually, a lot of math questions is based on how well you understand the thing. OK, like Samuel just asked me, 啊，老师 what is the negation of a positive number? 那你看你在做这道题目的时候 actually this question is very easy. But if you don't understand the meaning, then it's impossible for you to understand how to do it, right? Okay, everybody, I want you to do 1.6.5 by yourself, okay? So before we do that, I want you to not, 如果能不能不要把它们都乘起来来做做看 ，OK？ 好，2乘以3乘以4加乘以2/1加1/3加4。
Did we send you the answer?
Yes, please. Elaine 猪，你把声音打开，或者说把你的摄像头打开 ，OK？ Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So I don't know how you guys doing this, okay? So there's of course a very easy way is 2 times 3 times 4，然后把它这边变成12加上8加上6，对不对？然后再2乘以3乘以4，对吧？也可以这样做，对不对？但是 there is always another way of 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 2 times 3. Understand, chapter? Okay, so you just taking chapter 我给你提个意见好不好？你把你那个名字啊，就是你把头往上面一点，因为你的名字刚好把你整一个脸全部挡住，我只看到你头发上面一点点，所以看不清楚你的脸。OK， 别的小朋友就是都比较大一点的头，然后 Harvey 呢也是这样，但是 Harvey 没关系，因为他的名字比较短，所以我刚好可以看到他的脸。然后你的名字比较长，对对，哎，对对，这样就可以。对你往旁边坐一点就可以。Very good. So we take 2 times 3 times 4 as a whole thing. So 2 times 3 times 4 times half. So this one is crossed. So just 3 times 4. And 1 over 3 times that. So it's 3 over 1 over 3 and 3 is gone. So only 2 and 4 left. And 2 times 3 times 4 times 1 over 4. So this one's gone. So it's only 2 and 3. So the answer is 12 plus 8 plus 6. So that's why it's 26. OK, 好，这个时候 Elaine may ask me a question. Elaine 说：“老师，为什么你觉得你这个方法比较好？我就喜欢通分啊，我就喜欢这里变成24。”
I hate that.
对对对 ，OK， 好。Very good. Okay, Elaine 说我也不喜欢这个。So actually, I don't like this one as well. Okay, so Victoria, let me explain to you. Okay, so for something like that, this is an AMC8 real questions. Okay, for some questions like that, my requirement for all of you is finish them in 10 seconds. Because AMC8 is a very time consuming, time is very limited, it's only 40 minutes. Okay, so I want you to spend all the 30 minutes on the question from 20 to 25. Maybe for those questions, you need you a lot of time. But the earlier question 前面的题目全部都是很简单的，那我们就需要花最少的时间 so the less time and perfect score. So make sure you get it right. Okay, understand? So we have this one. So we have what? We have, if you have this one, it's like 24 times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. So basically just like that. So 12 plus 8 and plus 4. 6. Understand? So it's 24 divided by 2, 24 divided by 3, 24 divided by 4. So trust me, 加法永远比减法简单，乘法永远比除法简单。可以不要用 fraction 的，我们一定要用 integer，用整数。Understand? So let me ask you a very simple question, Harvey. Do you like 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, or you like 2 plus 3? Which one you like better? Of course, 2 plus 3, right? Yeah. So we're trying to make all these numbers into whole numbers, okay? So the same thing here, everybody. Can you immediately tell me 1.7.1, the answer is what?
One.
Very good. 不用算了，对不对？因为它 basically the same thing, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. So this is something similar like 1, 2, 3. OK， 第一题一般 MC8 第一题就是这样子的，马上把答案写出来，不要犹豫。OK，
Last time I was counting squares.
yeah. Okay, so next one, divide 205 times 205 by 205. Equals to
205.
205. Very good. Okay. 好，1、2、3. These 3 questions, please do it and let me know the answer. Okay, thank you, Elaine. Good job. Let me see. Chapter the butter. Good job. Okay, but I want you to take a look at the last question. 再看一下. 28 divided by 1 over 7. It's not 28 divided by 7. So 1 over 7 is what? You need to flip, right? Samuel, baby, very good. But the thing is,
Yeah, I
下次
don't know.
不用把下次不用把题号打出来了啊, then you waste a lot of time on the typing. So first question, very easy. 64 divided by 8 equals 8 and 3020, so it's 80. Okay, Samuel, take a look. 三位两位, so altogether there are 11 digits. This one, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 12 digits. So it's basically equals 10. Get it? So this one, 28 times 7. So because of division and divided ends equals 196. Very good. Okay, good job. Very good. So 3 seconds, we finish all of them. So let's take a look at these ones, okay? What number is 10 more than the quotient when 78 is divided by 1 over 2? 这个题目在19年还是18年的时候 ,2019 年还是2020年的时候的 AMC8 一模一样的类似的题目 ,okay? What number? If you see what number, you just do a bracket, okay? When you see is, that means equal. What number bracket is 10 more than the quotient when more than the quotient of what? When 78 is divided by 1 over 2. So,
166.
very good. So this one equals what? 156 and plus 10 equals 166. Okay, very good, Samuel. Good job. Okay, so what is the value of half divided by half divided by half divided by half? 好，有很多小朋友说这道题目等于1吗？不对啊。So when we do division, you have to steal from the left to right. Half divided by half equals what, Victoria?
401.
打屁股。1/2除以1/2等于什么？ One number divided by itself always equals to what?
1.
OK， 不要看到这样，我就跟你说，所以 fraction 不是个好东西啊。It makes you feel like wondering about yourself. So half divided by half. OK, everybody remember, no matter what is this, OK? 这个题目如果和这个题目这两个数字一样的，那就等于1，因为它这里多了个0，所以等于10。OK, so this is 1. So 1 divided by half equals what? So that means 1 divided by half equals 2, and 2 divided by half equals what? Equals 4. So the answer is 4. 这道题目很多很多小朋友出错 ，so many students, even 很多数学竞赛答得很好的小朋友都做错。Yeah, okay. So now let's take a look at this one. Okay. So for this question chapter, you need to pay a lot of attention. Remember, 老师跟你说过，这个除法可以写成什么？写成一条横线。So that is the time you're using this one. 27 times 31 times 35 times 39 times 43 divided by 43 times 39 times 35 times 31. So what is that? Gun, 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 gun. So the answer is 27. Okay, 如果真的去算，那就傻了啊，对不对? So just across. So let's take a look at this one. That's the same thing, everybody. If you see the division, just to take them as something like that, okay? Because it will help you to understand things better. So 50 divided by 5, 10. 60 divided by 6, 10. 10, 10. So the answer is 10,000.
Isn't it
Samuel, 少了一个零。1, 2, 3, 4啊，4个零啊。
Oh, I thought it was 4
Oh.
digits.
Yeah, okay, so let's take a look at this one. Computer, this one. So 这个怎么办？小朋友们不要害怕啊。1, 2. So when you see those one, let me just to give you a hint, okay? First of all, count the digit. Okay,
11.
because this is such a big number. Okay, it's very easy. Or there's another choice. Is you just exactly divide by 7 here. 你对齐 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1.
Oh,
Okay,
you can do that?
now, yeah, you can do that. Then you plus these two together. Then you plus these two together, and you do this one 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 然后你给它对齐2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 好，这个时候一定要把这个逗号加上去啊。This one will be help you to not to miss anything. Sorry, I make it here. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Get it? 千万不要去先加然后再除啊，先加再除算的就小笨蛋了。OK， 就小笨蛋。Good job, Daniel. Very good. OK， 好，下面来看一下 next one. OK， 好。当你们做了很多很多这个题目的时候。A lot of students 在这个时候说：“哎，老师，我做好了。”啊，你不是跟我说的吗？哎呀，对不对？这样子啊，这个除法就放在这里，对不对？好了，哎，这里2，哎，这里2，哎，这里2，哎，这里2，这里2，
I
对
think
不对
it works.
？Is it right?
Sounds like multiplication.
No. Very good. Thank you, Samuel. It's not the multiplication. It is totally different. Okay, everybody, I'm going to rewrite this one because it's equals to very good, everybody. You didn't do it wrong. Okay, so it's like that. So I just do save us some time. So I just to put it like that. Okay, chapter, understand? Right? I divided. But I cannot cross it. Thank you, Victoria. Okay, but you cannot cross them immediately because it's not times. Only you can times, you can do this directly. But this one, you can do what? You take out 2 because then 124除以2等于62加上52加上80 sorry 加上42加上32加上20加上12 over 62加上52加上Understand, everybody? Okay, because
Oh,
then this whole thing can be crossed. Why? Because it's 2 times this bracket. So everything in the bracket can be times off. So the answer is 2.
Oh.
OK, 这道题目非常容易出错，就跟这道题目一样，很多小朋友在这2道题目里面栽跟头。OK， 看到了啊？我们如果 AMC 8去考试的时候，前面3道题错了，你完了啊。Okay, so now let's take a look at everybody. 1, 2, 3. 3 questions, okay? Daniel 今天不错啊，Daniel 最近好像表现还可以，是不是？不要不好意思嘛，表现好就表现好呗，对不对？Very good. Okay, everybody, for this question, for the first question, I want to tell you, okay, so how to do those ones is how many numbers are there? 10 numbers, right? So basically, they're basically just a 90 and 90 plus 1, 90 plus 2, 90 plus 3, 90 plus 4, and all the way to 90 plus 9. So I'm not going to adding those bigger numbers, but instead I'm going to 90 times 10 because they are like 10 numbers and plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 9. And we have learned this 1 plus 9 times 9 divided by 2, so equals 45. So basically the answer is 945. Okay, so next one, compute the product, this one in your head. So when we have 25, remember which number we are going to watch? 4, right? So equals 12 times 2, and this one is 100, this one's 24, so the answer is 2400. I think I have told everybody in this class is, if you see 25, you want to find 4. If you want to have 125, you want to find 8, because 25 times 4 equals 100, and 125 times 8 equals 1000. Correct, everybody? Okay, so 8 has equals to 4 times 2. So that's why it's 4 times 25 equals 100, and 12 times 2 equals 24. So it's 2400. Okay, so the number 3 is the same thing, okay? So it's how many 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1000, the 1000 plus 1 plus 19 times 10 divided by 2. So equals 100. So it's 100, and 1100 times 3 equals 3300.
I
Okay.
almost forgot to multiply at the end.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so everybody, so this is something like, I think it's very basic, but we can just spend a little bit of time doing all of them. But this is going to be, we're going to spend more time for the later on one. Okay, so the rest of them will be your homework. Okay, I want you to take a look at this one, okay? So everybody, if you could, please take a look at 1.70. Yeah, 在动，在动. Okay, so the number 222 is equal to the product of 37037 times 6. What is the product of 37036 and 27? Okay, everybody think about it. Thank you, Elaine. Thank you, Daniel. Very good. Okay, 好，我们来看看啊。So how to do this question? This one is very helpful. So 222 equals what? Equals 37037 times 6. Okay, and we want to know 37037 times 27, okay? So obviously, 如果这个是6，这边如果是18，那我们这个题目很简单，就直接这边乘以3，这边乘以3等于66666，对不对？ But unfortunately, it's not 18, it's 27. Okay, everybody, so we're going to study the 27 and 6. So 6 equals what? Equals 2 times 3. And 27 equals what? Equals 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, so I want to have this one. If I can take this 2 out, then this answer will be just 3 times 9 equals 27. So how to take out this one? Very easy. Divided by 2 and divided by 2. So that's why this one equals 111, 111. And times 9 equals 999, 999. Very good. Okay, so everybody, so that's the part like we learned about those simple calculations. Now we're moving forward to a thing is because next week 我们星期六就要考试了啊，所以说有一些东西呢，老师觉得以前上过，但是我觉得你们可能忘了。So I think it's very, very important. Okay, so I want you to pay attention to them. It's called similar triangle. Okay. So Harvey, I think you have learned it before already, right? So similar triangle. Did you? Are you learning it, Harvey? Harvey.
Oh, sorry, I was waiting. Probably, I think.
Yeah. Okay. How about you, Samuel? 没有，还没有学。OK，我们所有小朋友啊，就是无论你数学好或者不好 ，geometry 都是你们非常害怕的一个地方。OK，why? Because not practiced enough. OK，most of the student, the geometry is not good. OK，but why everybody? 你肯定都听过，在我老师这里或者在别的小朋友这里都听过。So a lot of students, their math is really good, but till the grade 8, their math they're starting to feel that the math is also have a lot of pressure as well. Why? Because starting grade 8 to grade 12, you have a lot of geometry. And something you think is algebra, but actually geometry as well. For instance, x squared minus 4x plus 4. It is actually something like that. Okay, it is a geometry as well. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So let's pay more attention to the geometry. Okay, so we have a triangle ABC and EDF. DEF. Okay, everybody. So this is a right triangle. And if these two triangles are similar, so I want to ask, no. Oliver, 你又开始讨厌了。Oliver, can I ask you? 对，他把东西弄得很白。So Oliver, let me ask you a question. What does similar mean?
Like things are like sort of the same,
But not the same. But not the same. Yeah, sort of the same. But how sort of the same it is? Chapter. So let me ask you, okay? So if we have this angle that equals to each other, and this angle equals to each other, and the last one, this angle equals to each other, we can say it's same, but it's possibly similar as well. Okay, so when two triangles are similar, so they are their matching line is to C over F, to B over E, to A over D, they equals to each other. Okay, let me explain again. Okay, 如果这条线等于3，这条线等于4，这条线等于5。OK， 那这条线呢？sorry， 我应该反过来。So this one 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 8, this is 10. So I know these two triangles are similar. So 10 over 5 equals 8 over 4 equals 6 over 3. Get it? Okay, so that is the most important thing. Okay, so let's see. Because I know ABC is similar to triangle CDE. Okay, so these two triangles are similar. Okay, so I know this line to this line. So 6 to 10 equals to 5 to Y.
Cross multiplication.
Sorry, I think.
Hmm?
This is longer line. Sorry, this is a longer line. So this one is very important. Okay, 这一条应该 5 to 10 equals 6 to y. Sorry, as you can see, 这条线是比较短一条的。Let me see. This one is similar to this one. And this line is, let me see, which one's longer? Can you see on your side? Yeah, y is shorter, 10 is longer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now I was right at the very beginning. So this is the hard part, okay? So 6 is a longer line. So 6 to 10 equals 5 to y. I was right at the very beginning. Because you can see 在这个三角形里面，5是一条相对比较短一点的边，所以短一点的边和短一点的边是 similar 的。OK， 这条6是长一点的边，and I eat。爷爷，你去喝水吧，你去喝水吧。OK， so 6 to 10. Understand everybody? So how to get 10? How to get y? Y equals 5 times 10 divided by 6. So y equals 8 and 2 over 6. So y equals 8 and 1 over 3. Okay, so this is a part we're starting to learn the similar triangle. Oh my
Oh.
God. And rotate. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, everybody, okay? So if you have a triangle, and inside a triangle, there's a line which is parallel to this line, okay? 如果这两条边是平行的 parallel to each other, so we say triangle ABF is similar to triangle ACD. So that's why AB to AC equals to AF to AD. So the last one, I want you to tell me. 小朋友们不好意思的话，打在那个 chat 里面。你要是怕自己说错了，就不敢说，没关系，把 chat 里面发给老师。So AB to AC equals to AF to AD. And last one is what? Thank you, Harvey. Very good. Chapter, good job. Head person, Victoria, very good. Everybody, you get it right. So B, oh, yeah. BF to CD. Good job. Okay. So now, right now, I know this measurement is A. Okay. This measurement is C. Okay. So now I know this triangle and this triangle is similar. I want you to do yourself. Okay. I'm going to give you the one started with E over F equals. Of course, 我在这里有一个陷阱挖着的啊。我看有多少人掉进去。Okay, everybody, please give me these ones. Yeah, I do dig a hole here.
I'm a bit confused on how like BF and CD are like
Yeah,
equal
because
ratio.
AB is to AC, right?
Mhm.
AF to AD. So that's why BF to CD. 因为你看，这是这个三角形，它的每一条
Is
相
that just like a general rule?
啊，
Is that just like a general rule?
Isn't this an isosceles triangle though?
No, it doesn't matter. So sorry, Sammy, I didn't understand your question. Can you say it again?
Is it just like a general rule?
Second general of the rule?
Like that, for example, in that image BF and CD are equal in terms of ratios?
对，这三个 if
Okay.
ratio 就是 always equals 对，只要它们 similar, as long as they're similar. And let me see if there's anybody. Harvey? Harvey,
Mhm.
你能不能写的好一点？我觉得你是对的，但是你是不是少了一个什么东西？Did you 呀，哈哈。Then 那个叫什么Oliver 掉进去了。OK，Oliver is here. Okay, let me see how many people is in there. And
I'm probably
Harvey, I think you're right, but the thing is that your definition is wrong. Okay, you need to like it's. I cannot say that. I cannot say too much. Okay, Samuel is
What?
here. Okay, Samuel got me.
But at least there's a ladder there now.
那个 Victoria, 1, 2, 3, 4，应该有4个东西，应该是 something over something and something over something. You should send me something like that. OK，还有谁掉进去了？我现在反正看到2个。哎呀，我跟你说啊，Oliver，你画梯子是没有用的，你已经在里头了。我跟你说啊，画梯子是没有用的。There's not helpful. It's not helpful.
I feel like I'm gonna fall into it.
快点把答案给我。那我挖的深一点，我挖的深一点，不然地方不够做，不够用了。你们人都掉进去，我不够地方。现在只有 Harvey 是在一半的地方，没有掉进去。Okay, Daniel, welcome to the hole.
Welcome, we accept all guests.
No, Harvey 在这里，Harvey 是对的，但是 Harvey 写的不好。Elaine, you're the same thing, okay? So 你跟 Harvey 在一起 ，Elaine 跟 Harvey 在一起。OK，好了，Victoria 也掉进去了。哎呀，真是。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So everybody, E to F, okay? F is the bottom line for the bigger triangle. So A should be what? Should be doing this what? A is over what? A plus C. Get it? So that's why I said Elaine and Harvey, you're right, but it's not like you say A over AC. So it's A times C. No, you have to say A plus C. Get it, Harvey? Okay, so the next one is what? Is B over B plus D. Get it, Victoria? Because D is this measurement. So this is for the whole thing, because you take a look at this one. This is a bigger triangle. So, okay, the bigger triangle, the measurement is this one is A plus C, and this one is B plus D, and the bottom is F. Get it, everybody? So that's why I dig a hole，然后每个小朋友嘣隆嘣隆嘣隆嘣隆嘣隆全跳进去了，对不对？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this one is calculation. I want you to calculate the value of x. That's the same thing, okay? Because 6 over what equals 3 over x, right? Okay, everybody, think about it. 6, so 3 to x equals 6 to what? If you understand this question should be no problem at all, okay?
I probably fell in the hole again.
Daniel, very good. Daniel, good job. 那你已经填进去了，对不对？然后把 x 算出来呀。然后你让我干嘛？我帮你算吗？
Carrie do the work.
真是的，这你现在需要的是书童，是不是？小小伴读书童一枚。哎呀，哎呀，Harvey 掉进去，Harvey 掉进去了，Harvey 掉进去。
Yeah, I definitely fell in there as well.
OK，Harvey 刚才没掉进去，现在掉进去。Harvey bottom 啊，Harvey 垫底。
I'm gonna draw a ladder.
Mhm.
You're just gonna erase
Okay,
it.
congratulations, Daniel. Daniel, you're right. Okay. La la, Daniel's here. Harvey's here. 哎呀，还有教 letter 的，还要教 letter 的。OK，做了没有？OK，还有在这样 Victoria，Victoria， congratulations，耶！Oliver 自己给自己批，自己做完了吗你？哦，sorry，Harvey is right，Harvey is right，sorry，Harvey。
What?
OK，Harvey 现在对了。OK，Harvey 是现在都在上面，
What about me?
还没看到呢。
Wait, what?
你的答案在哪儿？哦，sorry，Elaine 是第一个做出来的。Elaine 第一个就做出来了，然后第二个做出来的是 Oliver，very good. Okay, Samuel the third one, very good. Okay, everybody, we did very good. Okay, so think about it.
Oh, I did it
Because
on the
it's
whole.
6 to 10 equals 3 to x. So basically it's 30 equals 6x, so x equals 5. Okay, very good.
We'll do a second hole.
Yeah.
Oh, well, they're both gone now.
Okay, everybody, so let's take a look this one. So we have a triangle, everybody. So for the people who still have a problem with that, we just write the basic one first. So 5 to 5 plus 10 equals y to what? And equals 6 to
X.
plus x.
Okay.
Correct? So we have this one. So one by one, let's do this one first. So 5 over 15 equals y over 12. So everybody, just time then cross. So 60 equals 15y. So y equals 4. And this one will be 4 over 12 equals 6 over 6 plus x. So still the same thing. So 72 equals 4 times 6 plus 4 times x equals 72 equals 24 plus 4x equals 48 equals 4x. So x equals 12. Okay, I'm going to clear this and make yourself think about it and do it yourself. Very good,
So-
Oliver. Oliver 非常好 ，Oliver 做得很快，同步做出来。
So,
What?
stop drawing the hole.
啊？什么话什么懂？老师刚才都做好了，自己做一遍。
Anyway, so you can still use cross multiplication with like 3 numbers, but you just have to do them like 2.
No. The basic is 这个三角形和这个大的三角形是 similar 的，对不对？ So that's why. So 5
Did I do right?
to 15, yeah,
Okay.
equals y to 12 equals 6 to 6 plus x. Get it?
So then for the cross multiplication, you still do it, but act like one is the other numbers is like gone.
没有啊，就这样子乘起来嘛，那不是这5乘以12等于15y 嘛？
What about 6 over 6 plus x? Or do that later.
OK，那个啊，那就是一样的，你可以选择这个也可以，因为5 over 15 also equals 6 over 6 plus x, right? They all equal. So you can basically simplify it first. So 1 over 3 equals 6 over 6 plus x,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, get it.
So very easy. 18 equals 6 plus x. So 12 equals x. Get it? Okay, Harvey, good job. Very good. Understand everybody? Okay, so now, oh my God. I'm sorry, boys and girls. OK， 好，这个地方就是比较难的哈。When you have a right triangle and you have a height made by the longest line of this right triangle, actually, A BC is similar to triangle ACD and also is similar to triangle CBCD. 这个三角形、这个三角形和这个三角形全部都相似。Okay, so this is almost the hardest part for us to understand. Okay, so this is the hardest part for us to understand. And after that, I'm going to tell you one last hardest thing. And today is over. We're not going to learn any more hard thing anymore. Okay, 不然的话，我怕小朋友说老师，我这个课上不了了。OK，我要怕上，对不对？OK, so let's take a look at this one. 好吧 OK, 怎么看啊 So we have to take out these triangles. This one is the biggest one. And also I need to take this one out. And I also need to take this one out. So they're all together, 3 similar triangles. So that's how we get it. So this one is the same, biggest one, ACB. And this one is what? It's ADC. And this one is what? Is CDB. Get it, everybody? I'm gonna stop here, okay? This is the hardest part. And I want you to take a look and find out exactly where is these triangles. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. 这个东西在你们8年级的时候就 exactly 会学到，也是一个非常难的难点。OK， 我会在这里稍微等你们一下，大家看一下。So I wait for you for a second.
Where are we
Uh-huh.
looking for Z?
Hmm?
Are we looking for Z?
Yeah, we're looking for Z.
Okay.
I'm most confused on how ABC and ACD are related.
Yeah, every single one is related. So that's why 你看，因为它们一样，所以这条比上这条比上这条，就等于这条比上这条等于这条，就等于这条比上这条等于这条。Understand? Yeah. So that's how we understand the similar.
I'm just confused on how ABC and ACD are related. Oh wait, never mind.
OK， 好，我们现在来看一下这个题目。OK， so let's find out. So AD equals what? AD equals 18. So how do we do this? 18. And do we have another AD? No. But we want to know what is AB. AB equals what? 26. And DB is 8. So first of all, I want everybody just to put the measurement on whatever you know. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So we don't know what is AC, but we know what is. So which one is Z? CD is Z. So CD is Z. This one is Z. Okay. So probably there are a lot of measurement we don't know, but the thing is, it doesn't matter. We just want to find out Z. So I want you to take a look at this one. We have a set of the data here. Get it? So that means 18 over Z equals Z over 8. Get it? Do we have to find out all the measurement? No. So that's why I think this is very helpful for us to understand this one. You just do all the measurement out. So this one equals what? 18 times 8 equals Z times Z. So this one equals what? Equals
144.
144. So equals Z squared. So Z equals what? Equals 12. Get it? Okay, so this is very helpful for you to understand this one. So, and I want you to take a look at this one. So if you know, 这个是不是可以直接用啊？在一个直角三角形里面，如果有一个高，把斜边分成两份，那斜边乘起来就等于 the square of the height. Get it? We can directly using this definition when you are in the contest. Understand? Okay, when in a right triangle, if you are making a height out of the hypotenuse, like the longer line, and this height, of course, cut this line into two parts. Okay, and in order to find out the height of this triangle, very easy. You're just using 4 times 9 equals 36, and 36 exactly equals the height of the square. So that's why the x equals what?
6.
Everybody, you don't have to like do this while you're in the competition because you can directly using these definitions. Understand? 记出来啦，小朋友们把这个记下来啊。Okay? So now there's a very, very useful thing as well. Okay? So if we know, I'm going to using one of this as a example. 简单一点。Okay, I'm gonna using this triangle as example, okay? So we already know the ratio of the line, so I want to know the ratio of the area as well. Okay, so the ratio of the area is the square of the ratio of the line. For instance, if this one is 4, this one is 8, this one is 11. The numbers should not be right, okay?我就随便选一个, okay? So this one is 8, this one is 16, and this one is 22 because they're 4 to 8 is half, 8 to 6, 2, and this one's 2 as well, right? Okay, so everybody, because it is 4 to 8, okay, equals 8 to 16 equals 11 to 22, okay? So the ratio of the height square equals the area of this one. So this one's area 1, this is area 2. So area 1 to area 2 equals this. Get it, everybody? Okay, but if you simplify, this is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, and 1 to 2. So if one of the line is 1 to 2, the ratio, the area will be 1 to 4. Understand? Okay, so if you are not very sure, we just are making this as an example. We'll prove it, okay? So we have this one is 6, this is 8, this is 10, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay, chapter, can you tell me what is area of this triangle? 3?
24.
Very good, 24. Good job. Okay, so Samuel, can you tell me what is area of this one?
6.
6. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So the ratio of the line is 3 to 1. Sorry, 3 to 6, which is 1 to 2, right? 你看3比6 4比8 5比10是不是都是1比2啊? Okay, without calculation, I know the area of these two triangles is exactly 1 to 4. 6 over 24 equals 1 to 4. Get it, everybody? Understand? Okay, so how do we use this one? For instance, if you have a triangle, okay, for these two triangles, okay, 你不知道他们两个人的各个一条长是多少, you don't know nothing, but you know AB to ED equals 2 to 3. So AB to ED equals 2 to 3. Okay, And I know ABC 的 area 是 let me just using a very good number 16 centimeter square. Can you tell me what is area of DEF? Okay, 像这个题目，如果你不知道 similar triangle, it's impossible to do because we only know this one is 2 and 3. It's not even the real measurement, it's the ratio. But because AB, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDF. Okay, so I know because I know this one is 2 to 3. So I know the area of ABC to triangle DEF exactly equals 4 to 9. And because the area is 16 centimeters, so who can tell me? This one is what? 36 centimeters. Okay, I'm gonna stop here for a moment. And if you have any questions, please stop me and ask me how to do.
So it's just the ratio of AB and DE squared. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
Does that rule apply to like every line? Like for
Yeah,
example, BC
every
and
line.
EF?
Very good. I love your question. Very good, Samuel. It replies on every line as long as these two lines are the same position. Very good, Samuel. That is called $1 million question. Very good. Okay, for instance, if I am having a line like that, okay, 这个 line is not even on the real triangle. For instance, I'll make a height here. Okay, Samuel? Understand? 如果我说，哎，我这个地方有一个 height, 这个地方有个 height, okay? So it's ABCX and ABCY, okay? So I make this point as X and Y. Okay, so BX to EY equals 4 to 5 if we have this one, so 4 to 5. Okay, so that means the area of ABC to area DEF is what? 16 to 25. Get it? So at this moment, if I told you this one equals 50 centimeters square, so you can immediately tell me what is the area of ABC? $32 centimeters.
Oh, I can't do
Get it,
that fast.
Get it, everybody? So very good. Samuel asked a very good question. 他说随便哪条线嘛，对，是 Samuel 不能说 BX 去跟什么比啊？跟 DE 不行，因为他们两个人的位置不一样啊，看到吗 ？Okay, so the position is very important. Okay, remember I said AB to DE because AB and DE is a set of data. Understand, Elaine? Understand? Victoria, understand? 因为它们的位置是一样的，我能不能说我 AB 去和 EF 比啊 ？No，AB 在这里 ，EF 在这里。Understand？就像你们家里面，你说，哎，那个哥哥可以跟弟弟上一个厕所，哥哥和妹妹就不行，就是因为他们都不是一个 gender，对不对？So the line is the same thing. So AB and DE is the same gender. Okay, AB 和 EF 就不行了。Understand? So all these data is coming like a pair. Understood, everybody? Okay, so this is a very important thing. 记得啦? Okay, so now let's move to the. Okay, so those questions we don't have to do. Oh, where is it? Here. Okay, sorry. So 所有的东西都可以 similar. Okay, not only 这个 triangle. Okay, 我们可以这个看起来是不是很奇怪的图形 ？Okay, these two are similar to each other. Get it? 因为你看这个角和这个角一样，这个角这样。So this line and this line 是一个 pair，对不对 So this line and this line is another pair. And this line and this line is a pair. And this line and this line is a pair. Understand, everybody? Okay, so not only the triangle could be having the similar triangles, but also the thing, okay? So let's take a look at this one. The trapezoid below was created by joining two similar triangles. Okay, so that means ABD and BCD is similar triangle. Get it? 好，这个不难啊。Harvey, Victoria, Chapter. Okay, Oliver, Daniel. 两个 Elaine 下面，我跟老师跟你们说一下，最难的地方是什么？找到 paired thing. Okay? BC 和 BD pair 没问题的，因为这两条边分别是这两个三角形最长的一条边，对不对？ Okay? So now let me tell you. Second one, Samuel. BC 后面找什么？找 BCD 里面最短的那条边是哪条？
DD
CD. OK, 然后再到这个三角形里面去找哪个是最短的那条边？
BA
AB. Get it? Okay, so last one, which is not being included. So BD and AD. OK, 这个地方啊，一定要记下来。我跟你们说，在学校里面老师不会这样子教你们的，一定要记下来。因为在做 similar triangle 的时候，今天 Harvey 说，老师我大不了不考 AMC 8，不考 AMC 10好了。I don't care, but the thing is, this thing is going to be in your grade 8 math homework. Okay, very important. 两个三角形 they tell you, okay, they're similar. But there are tons of students are going to make mistakes as what? Okay, BC to BD and AB to BD and AD to CD. Totally wrong. The longest line to longest line. The shortest line to shortest line. Then whatever is left there to each other. Understand, everybody, chapter? 我跟你说，这个地方真的一定要记下来啊！很多小朋友到了8年级开始成绩下降了，就是这个 chapter。Very, very 就是这个 chapter. We have a chapter, the name in our school, in our class, 就是这个 chapter. Okay, everybody understand? So you have to remember, 把这个放在自己脑子里面，最长的边跟最长的边，最短的边跟最短的边，然后中间。So exactly here. So now then you find out AB is what? Is 6. CD is what? We don't know. AD is what? We know 9. BD is what? 12. So then, little by little, put the number into the one that you know. You replaced it. Understand, Victoria? Okay, 一个一个，千万不要跳步走啊！Samuel，我跟你说啊，我们不能说这个班级的小朋友，然后跟老师上着课，然后到了学校里面还有错，然后你们家长来找我了。哎呀，陆老师，这个东西他怎么会不会的？那不行啊！然后我一听到这个话，就冲到你们家来干什么 ？Elaine，
打屁股。
Okay, 好 very good. Okay, as long as you agree with that, so I'm going to do it. Okay, Elaine, we have the record. Okay, so everybody, so 6 over CD equals 9 over 12. So Daniel, at this moment, I want you to simplify. Okay, when we calculate, the smaller the number, the better, the big possibility you make it right? So 3 over 4. So CD equals what? Equals 8. This one very easy. You don't even have to do it because 3 times 2 equals 6. So 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay, so next one. 3 over 4, which is 9 over 12. I just to simplify, equals 12 over BC. And this one times 4. So 4 times 4 as well. So BC equals 16. Get it? So there's an own target, only to one target. Okay, everybody, I want you to make the thing, every single question, quick and easy. So that's why the perimeter. Okay, 还有一些小朋友啊，做题目我要跟大家说一下，这个是鹏鹏，就是第一名，就是这样啊，全都算好了，对不对 ？Okay, this one is 8, this one's 12. Okay, 笔一扔，好了，我走了，做完了。The question is asking you, what is the perimeter of the quadrilateral? Okay, Elaine? 所以要6加12加8加9，对不对？大家都知道的啊。So don't make Daniel， 你又在干嘛 不要做一半题目 okay so don't make your question half understand everybody okay so let's take a look at this one okay so this is the right triangle remember I said this is the hardest part right but 这道题目我们老师已经教过来了全班同学 immediately tell me the answer okay for this question how do we do this okay so they said I want you to calculate the area of the right triangle here 老师说过什么 right triangle 怎么算 very easy base times height divided by 2 so do we know the base of course 16 do we know the height no so this question is turned out to be if you can find the height of this one 那 height 我们刚才说过了等于什么 height square equals 6 times 10 correct what did I say we can directly use it right so h squared equals 60 so h equals what 啊这个可能对 chapter 和有一些小朋友来说哎有点难对不对没关系我们只要把这个式子列出来我就算你对了 OK so 8 times square root 60对吧那这个题目不好啊我们把这个题目改的稍微
friendlier.
对啊 friendly 一点 friendly
Wait, where'd you get the
just
8?
put this one here 24 okay so everybody please calculate it okay tell me the answer tell me the area of this triangle
Where do you get the 8 from that?
我刚才说过这个乘以这个然后怎么样 square root 呀 so 6 times 24 equals what Samuel 你有没有记笔记肯定没有记笔记记笔记了没有 very good thank you Harvey but you're exactly like my daughter you think that's down but the answer the question is find the area of the right triangle very quick Harvey but not the right answer哎呀，这个计算呐，小哈维。Okay, so everybody, 6 times 24 equals 144. Very good. So 144 equals what? Equals h squared. 我们以前前面就讲过了，对不对？所以 h 等于12。好了，Harvey 就是这个可爱的小朋友，光速把这个答案算好了，打给我 h 等于12。沾沾自喜，很开心。哎呀，你看，你做了一半，对不对？So find the area of the right triangle equals what? So we need to have the bottom times height divided by 2. So equals 6 plus 24, right, Victoria? Times 12 and divided by 2. So equals 30
by 2.
divided by 2. So the answer is 180. Congratulations, chapter. Very good. Samuel, 又计算错，对不对？好了，Harvey 就打了无数个给我。因为是不是忘记除以2了呀？对不对？好了。你已经学到这个节骨眼了，对不对？三角形面积除以2没算，你说这应不屁股，应不应该打屁股？好，我不讲了啊，不多说了哈，不多讲，不多讲，讲多了要伤感情，对不对 ？Okay, so let's take a look at the.
Oh wait, never mind. I forgot you changed it to 24. Sorry.
Yeah, I know.
10 plus 6.
Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one, okay? Let's do a last question, okay? I'm not going, 哎呦，这个红颜色有点太刺了。
I just so red.
Okay, so everybody, so for this questions, okay? Try to do yourself. I know this question is hard, but try to do yourself.
You covered
not this one. Sorry. Okay, like,
Oh,
okay, everybody, think about it, this question, okay? I'm going to block everything. Don't even think about it. I will let you take a peek. But try your best. 跟老师刚才一样，OK，我给你们唯一的帮助就是把3个直角三角形全都画出来。That will be your best friend. Okay, so this one will be C, and this is A, this is B. Okay, and helping you, this one is D, and this one, the bigger one. Then this one is C, and this one is B. And last but not least is there's still D, and this one A, and this one. Okay, so I already helped you to put these ones. OK，哎呦，有一个人发给我了。我最喜欢看哈维的答案了。哈维每次发给我的时候都天人交战，哦，是这个，是那个，是这个，是那个，哦哦哦哦。好，有没有小朋友把每一个 measurements 都放进去 ？OK，so AB equals 4。OK，so that's very very useful。跟你讲，老师跟你们说的事情都是老师从小，对不对？学了很长时间，都是用过的这种方法，对不对？那 CD 的 AC 等于是
X
A
plus A.
very good。AD 等于 A。OK，BD 是 X。OK，BD 是 CB 不知道。OK，doesn't matter。CB 不知道 ，AB 这里有个 AB 这是。Okay, everybody. So that's what I did. Okay, I put everything. So let me see. There's something we can use is what? 6 to x equals x to a. Correct, everybody? Am I right? X squared equals a times 6. Of course, this one, we know this. A times 6 equals x squared. Correct? OK，好，现在看起来不够啊。但是小朋友们，你有没有学过有一个东西，我们也学过，叫 Pythagorean theorem，有没有学过 ？Yes，Elaine 说 yes。你看到这里有一个 right triangle，the first thing first to pop up into your head is we can use 勾股定理，对不对 ，Victoria？对不对？勾股定理懂不懂？勾股定理对不对 ？So it's 4 squared equals a squared plus x squared. Correct, everybody? 好，我们现在有了一个，哎，6a equals x squared. Okay, very easy. So 16等于 a 的平方加上 x squared, but x squared equals what? Equals 6a. Get it, everybody? So a squared plus 6a minus 16 equals 0啊，这个题目到现在为止有点超纲了，有点超纲了，因为这个就不是小朋友可以做的，我们这个需要有后面那个解，但是懂了吗？
Perfect formula.
是这样子的一个过程。OK, but we know a equals 2的时候，这是不是4？这个是不是12？减16是不是等于0？所以 a 等于几 ？a 等于0。sorry, a 等于2。所以 Harvey 一开始对的，后来 no wait， 然后改错了。Okay, very good. Okay, so I think this is, I don't think the AMCH will go that deep, but it is something very useful for the similar triangle. Okay, so now I'm going to take the one last minute and think about it.
Circles.
Yeah, they also can be similar to the circles. I know. I said, yeah, 好了。但是为什么 circle 你看起来有点可怕？但是 circle 其实说白了，最后其实还是两个 triangle. Understand? It's still 两个 triangle. So ABX and DCX is similar to each other. So they said in the intersection of two chords in the circle created a pair of similar triangle. OK, 也就是说，在一个圆的里面 a pair of lines 它都会 pair 一个这个样子。Understand? So everybody, you don't have to prove it. You can just directly use it. But again, everybody, the thing I want you to practice is what? Find out the paired line. So Victoria, I want to ask you, AB to what? AB is the longest line of ABX. So which one is going to be ratio AB for CDX? Which one is the longest?
DX.
AB 在这个三角形里面是最长的一条边，那 CDX 里面哪一条是最长的边？
CD.
I cancel. Oh, is it like the dotted lines that's longer?
Yeah, it's the same thing. So this triangle and this triangle, they're similar, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. So next one, we're going to do the smallest line. So BX chapter, BX is the shortest line for ABX. Can you tell me what is the shortest line for CDX?
It's 8 o'clock.
Okay, it's what? Victoria 每次都在提醒我，好下课了。
CX.
Okay, chapter?
X.
Very good, CX, good job. Okay, so last one is very easy. AX to XD. 看到了没有？我们还是用这样的方法啊，还是用一样的方法。就记得老师教给你们的方法就是 no matter 在三角形里面，还是在方块里面，还是在怎么样，都一样的。先找到最长的两条边，它们是 ratio 的，然后再找到最短的两条边，它们是 ratio 的，然后再是既不长又不短的这两条边是 ratio。Understand? So that is the best techniques. 你不会烦的，不会乱的。那我们来看看这道题目，他说，哎，这里2，这边 x， 这边 x， 这边6，那怎么做？很简单，这条是最短边 ，so 2 over x, which is 最短边。然后呢，最长边我们不知道，那中间边怎么样 ？equals x over 6. So that's why x squared equals 12. So x equals 2. Okay, equals 2 and 12. OK， 所以这条边就等于4 and OK， 怎么具体算我们不要求。因为在 AMC 8里面不会有任何 square root 的 calculation. Okay, everybody, that's over. But the thing is, as long as you know in the circle, there are two lines, they cross to each other, and these two triangles is always similar to each other. That's good enough. And remember, when we're calculating the area of two similar triangles, the areas, the ratios always equals the square of the lines ratio. Understand? Okay, so that's it. 这个是我自己猜的啊。我也不知道这个题目到底怎么样，我到现在都没有见到过。But I hope everybody, because I think 每一次我们做 AMC 10，做 AMC 8，每一次都有 similar triangle 的题目 ，every time 都有。Okay, so pay a little bit attention for this. This is my best guess. Okay, 每次老师在考试之前都会想，哎，我试试看猜一道题目。像上次在 AMC 10的时候，我就猜中了3道题目。 Yeah, so 那个上课的小朋友就很开心，因为他就比别人多了18分，多做一道题就多做6分嘛，对不对？Okay, so that's it. So but I never like 我猜中了3道题，我一共猜了5道题，那猜中了3道也算很好了，对不对？那我们看看，不知道这次的 AMC8的题目里面会不会有 similar triangle 的题目，对不对？然后呢，我想小朋友们在读题目的时候，because this time it's paper based, okay, everybody. So paper based, you can always circle the thing which you think is very important, okay? And there's another thing I want to tell you. MC8不是给8年级的小朋友做的啊。
It's below grade 8.
No, actually 你9年级也能做，只要你没过生日，知道吗 ？OK， 好，我们的目标每个小朋友 ，OK， 不到6年级的每个小朋友的目标是做对15题，因为你只要做对15题呢，你就有一个全世界的一个奖，就是 below 16年级小朋友做对15题就有一个，而剩下的小朋友，我们希望你们都可以做对16题到18题。OK， 然后 top 1% 好像是22题以上，对吧 ？top 5% 好像是20题以上还是什么 ？OK， 慢慢来，我们还有 long way to go， 好不好？但是 I think the way of study math is always like try your best and never give up. Pay attention to the details and try to make everything logic. So these things is no matter you're learning math or not, it's going to benefit your entire life. Because you know what? 如果你 pay attention to the detail, 坏事就不太容易找到你，对不对？对不对 ？Okay, if you make everything logic, 你爸爸妈妈就不太容易抓住你的小辫子打你小屁股，对不对 ？Okay, and if you make everything like circled and everything connected together, it's very easy to make some money and make very right decisions. So that is the logic of the world. Not only work on math, but you can work on French, work on English, work on science, work on techniques, everything. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's class and wish all of you luck, no matter you attending AMC8 next the Saturday or not, we're still learning everything together. Okay, how about good luck everybody. So we're gonna see each other on Saturday. Huh?
You're gonna be at the competition, right?
Yes, of course, I'm gonna be there. Okay, 如果那个有什么实在不会的，你可以看我的眼神。Okay. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class. Wish you have a wonderful night. Okay, bye bye.